If you are a student with zero money, no savings, no allowance, no side income, and you have ever wondered whether you can actually earn something real online, this video is going to show you exactly how I did it, step by step, no shortcuts, no paid tools, no experience needed. In 7 days, I went from nothing in my wallet to $50 earned using only free AI tools and cold Instagram messages. Let me show you the whole process. Here is the plan, and it is simple. Every small restaurant wants more customers. Most of them have terrible Instagram pages, blurry photos, one-word captions, posting once a month. That is a problem. You with free AI tools are the solution. Step 1. Find a local restaurant with a weak Instagram. Step 2. Use free chat to write better posts. Step 3. Design them in free Canva. Step 4. Send 3 free samples with a simple message. Step 5. Offer 2 weeks of posts for $50. That is the entire plan. Let us go through each step. Open Instagram and search your city name plus the word restaurant or cafe. You are not looking for big chains. Look for small local places. Here is exactly what tells you a restaurant needs help. Sign 1. Their last post was more than 2 weeks ago. Sign 2. Their captions are just one word. Yummy delicious, that is it. Sign 3. Their photos are dark, blurry, or completely random. Find any restaurant with 2 of these 3 signs and write down their name. I made a list of 10 restaurants before moving forward. This Italian place. Last post was 3 weeks ago. Caption just said pasta. This is my target for today. Now we make the samples, and this is where the free AI does the work for you. Open chat. The free version is all you need. Type this exact prompt. Write 3 Instagram captions for a small Italian restaurant. Each one should be warm and inviting and end with a call to action. Keep each caption under 150 characters in about 8 seconds. 3. Professional captions. Now open Canva. Also free. Search restaurant Instagram post. Pick a simple clean template, paste in one caption, change the restaurant name. That is your first sample. Do this to more times. You now have 3 finished posts. Total time 25 minutes, total cost 0. Now we send the message, and I know this is the part that feels scary. What do I actually say? Here is the exact message I used. Copy it word for word. Hi name, I am a student learning digital marketing, and I noticed your restaurant's Instagram could reach a lot more customers. I made 3 free sample posts for you, no cost, no commitment. Take a look. If you like them, I can create 2 full weeks of posts for just $50. Happy to answer any questions. Then attach your 3 Canva posts as images. Why does this work? First, you lead with something free, no risk for them. Second, you say you are a student. That is honest and it builds trust. Third, $50 is a number any small restaurant can say yes to. I sent this to 10 restaurants, then I waited. Okay, here is the honest part. Out of 10 messages, 6 restaurants never replied. 2 said not interested. 1 asked a question then went quiet. That is 9 rejections. And that is completely normal. This is not failure, this is just numbers. Day for the 10th restaurant replied, these look really nice. How does the $50 work? I explained that I asked for half upfront to protect both of us. $25. Now $25 when the posts are delivered. They agreed. $25 arrived. Most people quit after 2 or 3 rejections. The only reason I got paid is because I kept going. 2 weeks of content is 14 posts, with chat writing every caption and Canva handling the design. I finished all 14 posts in about 6 hours, spread across 2 evenings. I sent the full package to the client. They replied within an hour. These are amazing. Second payment arrived, $25. Total $50 earned. Total spent $0. Let me give you the full honest breakdown. 7 days, $0 spent, $50 earned. About 8 hours of total work, which comes out to $6.25 an hour. That is not a salary, I know that. But that is not the point. The point is the process works. You now have proof that you do not need Money to start, you need a plan, free tools, and the willingness to send the message. Next video, I will show you how to scale this from $50 to $500 a month.